Now let's talk about GitHub workflow. There was something that you said it at one of your webinars at DevOps conference last year that goes like, a workflow is an application within your application. What does that really mean, man?
Okay, yeah. I have said that a few times, and I might even modify that statement now that more time has passed.
Okay.
Because when you're creating an application, you kind of obsess over your baby, right? You've written this amazing bit of glue plus your own amazing unique take on your use of open source dependencies. Mm-hmm. You've got something fantastic. You push it into your pipeline, and you don't really consider that pipeline that's probably actually building it all together, adding different components. You have this implicit trust for it.
True.
Like as if I'm in a car and I'm getting on a road. I trust that the road will be there and it will be in good shape. And all I really care about is the destination of where I want to go in my car. And I've got fuel and I care about my beautiful car, but I'm not really considering, I actually care about the infrastructure.
Yeah.
Because it matters. My car's not getting anywhere if this road isn't secure, if this road isn't a solid representation of what I want. Or if
there's a cliff.
Or if there's a cliff. Or if you can, if I can drive right off, or there's construction, or for example, I can get carjacked in the middle of my drive because I'm going through a bad neighborhood that is completely unsafe. That's sort of a light analogy. Like the actual pipeline or the workflows that you create upon which your application travels, they're just as important as the security and the safety of the application itself. And in the past, we put a lot of effort. I mean, all those acronyms you just said, almost all of those are for the application.
True.
None of them are designed to check to see if the road or the pipeline or the workflow is safe or is configured correctly or has any of the best practices that we might talk about later on in this podcast. So
agree.
Is the application that went into the pipeline the same application that came out of it?
Wow. Yeah. I mean, so a pipeline isn't really my app, but something that's running in parallel or on top of my code, right?
Yeah, exactly. And if you were to ask, I work with a lot of the people from a startup that was called Cider Security, and they specialize in, they help with a lot of the research in terms of pipeline security. And they say the pipeline is your application. You should just consider it. This is where I was going to maybe change my position. Is it an application within my application, or can I consider the pipeline part of my application because it does so much to it on the way through?
Wow. We're going Inception mode here.
Yeah. I like it.
That's so cool.